Okay, so I am going to try 3 different drink recipes this morning. The first one is going to be 1 cup of water to 1.5 teaspoons of drink mix. There's 1 cup of water and 1.5 teaspoons of drink mix. The second recipe required 2 cups of water and half a teaspoon of drink mix. The third recipe required 1 cup of water and 1/4 teaspoon of drink mix. Okay, so I'm going to taste them, see how they taste. Here is drink recipe 1. It's a little darker than the other 2. I'm going to go ahead and give it a sip. It's awfully sweet. Drink recipe 2. Not nearly as sweet. Drink recipe 3. Tastes just like drink recipe 2. Again, let's note the colors here. So that means that drink recipe 2 and 3 taste the same, and they also look the same.